Hey, I'm Ben from Baratza, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to dial in your Encore ESP Pro for a tasty AeroPress brew. AeroPress is a favorite for a reason. It's fast, flavorful, and low mess. Paired with the ESP Pro's anti-static tech, it's a clean and reliable way to brew your morning cup. You'll need an AeroPress and a paper filter, a kettle, scale or AeroPress scoop, something to stir with, a mug, and of course your Encore ESP Pro. There are so many ways to brew with an AeroPress, but my brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee, 260 milliliters or about 9 ounces of filtered water between 195 degrees to 205 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 to 96 degrees Celsius, 1 minute and 30 seconds of brew time before pressing. We'll go with grind setting 43, right in the sweet spot for AeroPress, to give us a medium fine grind size, like table salt. Darker roasts will need to be ground coarser, and lighter roasts will need a finer grind. I'm grinding in single dose mode using the flexible lid. It keeps things simple and clean. Just weigh your beans, pour them in, and press the button. If you're grinding with the hopper, try single dosing first to dial in your timer setting for next time. Now let's get the brewer ready. I'm heating water to about 205 degrees Fahrenheit or 96 degrees Celsius just off the boil. Give your paper filter a quick rinse with hot water to get rid of the paper taste, and warm up your brewer and mug at the same time. Pour in your grounds and give it a little shake to level them. Start your timer and pour in the water. Stir well to saturate everything. Pop the plunger in and pull up slightly to create a vacuum. This helps it to stop dripping while it brews. Now we wait for the timer to hit 1 minute and 30 seconds. At 1 minute and 30 seconds, it's time to press. Steady and gentle. Take about 30 seconds to finish. You're aiming for a total brew time of around 2 minutes. Balanced and bright, just what I was hoping for. Need to tweak the taste? Too weak or watery? Grind finer by a setting or two. Too sour or hard to press? Try grinding a bit coarser. Remember, great brewing is part science and part intuition. Your water temperature, technique, and coffee all matter just as much as your grind. AeroPress is perfect for playing with recipes and dialing in your flavor. Have questions? Our support team is here to help. Visit baratza.com/support. And if you love brew guides like this, follow us for more. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.